grade Shurley method, page 13, part 1. We're going to do exercises 1, and that's it today. Just exercise 1. And then we'll do 2 and 3 for the next part. So we're going to classify the sentences. So we have 1, 2, and 3. Okay. You guys will do number 1 for homework, and we will do 2 and 3 here together. Okay. Number 1 will be on your own. Number 2 and 3 will do. Look at the angry bee around the president's head and arms. Who's supposed to look at the angry bee around the president's head and arms? A pronoun and it's understood. So you put you in parentheses. What is this about you?
Look.
Verb. At. Preposition is one of the 49 prepositions. At what? What type of bee? The around preposition. Around what? Head and arms, so it's a compound object of the preposition. And is a conjunction. Whose head and arms? President. So it's an adjective. It's a special one. What is it? Not possessive pronoun, possessive. What's going with the apostrophe S? Possessive noun adjective. So PA. And then the is article adjective pattern. Subject, noun, verb, pattern, 1, check. At the angry bee. Around the president's head and arms. Period. Is it a statement though? No. Interrogative is the question. It's an imperative. Okay. Johnny's giant hawk swooped upon the poor mouse in the field. Whose giant hawk swooped down? What swooped upon the poor mouse in the field? The hawk. Subject, noun. What is being said about the hawk? Okay. Yeah, just swooped. Okay. Upon is a preposition. We don't use that one very much, do we? Upon what? Object of the preposition. What kind of mouse? Adjective. The. In what? The. Okay. What kind of hawk? Whose hawk? It's an adjective, but it's a special one because it has apostrophe. Not possessive pronoun, possessive noun, adjective. And then pattern, subject, noun, verb, pattern, 1, check. Upon the poor mouse. In the field. Oh, guys, up on this last one, we forgot to go back. Let's finish this one. We'll go back. Go back and divide the complete subject and the complete predicate. Is there an adverb exception? No. Is this in the natural or inverted order? Natural. Now we forgot to do that up there because we got taken over by the imperative part. So go back to the verb, divide the complete subject from the complete predicate. You and look, so it's in the front here. Is there an adverb exception? No. Is this in the natural or inverted order? Natural. Okay. So number 1, you guys are doing for homework.